Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting your essentials ready, your Google account credentials, and a device connected to the internet. Open the YouTube TV app or go to the website. This is where you begin signing in. If you're on a TV, use the remote to navigate to sign in. On a phone or computer, tap Sign In at the top right. Once done, you'll be prompted to choose or enter your Google account. This links your subscription and settings. Next, you select or add your Google account and enter the password. Take a moment to verify the email is correct, because that determines your library and subscription. If you see a two-step verification prompt, follow those steps. Enter the code from your Authenticator app or text message. Make sure to approve any device permissions requested, since YouTube TV needs access to location for regional channels. Once verified, you'll finally confirm that your profile, subscription tier, and local channels appear correctly. This indicates a successful sign-in. If shows or channels fail to load, sign out and sign back in to force a refresh, because cached data can cause mismatches. If that doesn't help, clear the app cache or reboot your device and make sure your app is up to date. A single troubleshooting tip: restart your router and device together. Network resets often resolve account access and streaming errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.